want to talk to you for a minute about DMP's new 5000 series line of cameras. The 5000 series line offers you the ability to have a dome camera or a bullet camera in either 2 or 4 megapixels. Both of these cameras support PoE, and to make it easy on you when ordering products, we've included the megapixel in the part number. So for example, the dome camera is the V-5052 if you want the 2 megapixel version. It's the V-5054 if you want the 4 megapixel version. In similar fashion, the bullet camera is the V-5012 for the 2 megapixel version and the V-5014 if you want the 4 megapixel. So the 2 or the 4 is the last digit of the part number. And let me remind you that these cameras still provide all the same functionality as you've come accustomed to with SecureCom cameras. When they're connected to the customer's network, they automatically begin tunneling into SecureCom with an AES encrypted VPN tunnel. Also, not only are they viewable for your customer within the virtual keypad app, but your customer can still set up motion detection regions and determine when they want to receive clips, whether that's always when they see motion or only when the system is armed, or perhaps only when the system goes into alarm. Also, these cameras are fully compatible with DMP's Central Station video verification feature set and can also be connected to the DMP SecureCom in VR. Thanks for spending some time with us today.